Today I'm on my mango farm. Me and Mr. Mackenzie. Mackenzie wave. Oh, listen.
Que carro esse faz?
Hey. I would like to be in a crop.
Mm.
Come from this side. But you see for me, climbing up on it. Not going up on it. Or some kind of thing. Ah, I think it's small. The mango you're dropping like food. Drop it right there. $20 breadfruit. The breadfruit just can make punch juice without the punch on out. And so on the sauce of tea. Make a nice tea. They say good for the nerves or two sauce upon it. But nothing to pick. The breadfruit. Wait for my breadfruit. This is a Centurion tree. It's also ripening, blossoming. Everything all in one. Banana tree. One national dish. Happy. Make them happy. From here. Keep it around me. Mango just ripening. That's good. You can see anything so much so long. So that was my main thing to get my vacation dinner time. And the food store right here. And really happy to get some. see no more. I don't want to put paper for nothing. Chicken out to some anymore. I'll put down our time. Don't forget it.
Is it? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
What minute is that?
No. 60.
What's that? Right now? Keep driving, I gotta be careful. Careful, sit down. Way up in the tree. So you can see. I did it. We team up. Now we did it. I did it. See, I'm just a climb. I did it. Bam, go way up. But you do this so much as like a girl almost 60-year-old and do this. It's a blessing. Hold it. Come down, Mackenzie. Hold it and come down. Keep doing it. Right, for the whole world see. Nobody didn't put me up. Nobody not going to take me down. Stop it. Stop it. Thank you.